Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Terry and today I am super excited because we're celebrating the Trinity Stamps March 2024 release hop. There's going to be a hop here on the YouTube channel as well as on Instagram. So if you wanted to follow along with the hop, all of the information is listed down under the description box. Okay, so let's get started. So the card that I'll be sharing today, it's very simple. I just thought that this stamp set was just so adorable. I didn't want to add anything else to it. So the stamp set that I'll be using today is called Dust Bunnies and it's so cute. I mean, look at it. It does come with coordinating dies, but I am not using the coordinating dies today. So I started off by using my stamping platform. I am using the Mini Misty here. And I'm going in with a white colored cardstock. This cardstock here is alcohol marker friendly because I do plan on using my alcohol markers to color the images in. So I placed this in my stamping platform and I'm just selecting 3 of the images from the stamp set. I wanted to actually fit more, but the size of the card panel that I'm using is an A2 size. So I can only fit 3 of the cute little dust bunnies. So I went ahead and stamped that down on the center of my cardstock, making sure that the images are straight as possible in the center of their cardstock. So I went ahead and stamped that down using an alcohol-friendly ink, and I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black. And I did have to stamp that a few times to make sure I got a good impression. Then the fun part and the best part, I love to color. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the process here and add some music, but if you're not into the coloring process, I will also leave a time reference down below so you can go ahead and forward it to that time. Okay, so I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I am back. I hope you enjoyed that. That was pretty simple coloring, but I wanted to include that in the video. Okay, now going in with my T-square ruler, I wanted to draw a line underneath the dust bunnies, just to create some texture and dimension onto the card panel. I am using a black archival ink, and I'm tracing a line right below their feet and their little bellies. Okay, so before I add a sentiment onto my card panel, I wanted to kind of intensify the black ink on my card panel. So I left the stamps in my stamping platform and I placed the card panel back into the stamping platform. But instead of using my Memento Black ink, I'm going in with Versified ink and I'm stamping that over the colored image. This is just going to intensify the black ink color and make it pop out more. Now for the sentiment, I love this sentiment stamp set. This one is simply Sentimental Hello, and you pretty much have all of the hello sentiments that you will ever need. And I selected one of the sentiments here, and I'm stamping that also with Versifying ink. And I did have to stamp it a few times just to make sure that the impression was clear. Okay, so I decided to go in with my paper trimmer and I'm trimming this down to 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. I also went in with black colored cardstock and trimmed that slightly larger than my card panel. So I like adhering my card panel against a dark colored cardstock to create a little nice matte. That just adds a little bit of texture and dimension. So I went ahead and used liquid adhesive and adhered the two together. And finally, I went ahead and adhered that to a side folding colored card base. And one last thing, and what I love to do is go in with my white gel pen and add a few highlights and details throughout the card panel. And this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoy this simple tutorial, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for any future videos. And again, if you guys would like to participate in the hop, just look down in the description bar and it will show you all of the information that's needed for the hop. And also there is a giveaway, so make sure you guys comment on this video and follow along with the hop. Okay, until next time, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Bye bye.